Hello, and thank you for watching this Make My USB video. In this video, we're going to cover backups. First, let's plug in our USB. Click on the Start tab, Computer, open our USB, and open our Make My USB application. We'll click on the Utilities tab and open up the Backup and Encrypt utility. In here, let's make sure we're on the Backup tab. Now, what I want to back up is this Important Data folder here. Inside Important Data, I have an All Passwords text file and an Important Contact. So I'm going to drag this Important Data folder under the Files to Backup tab. Now what I want to do is a differential backup. If you're on the Make My USB website, under this video, it explains the different types of backups and how to use them. With the differential backup, you have to use a 7-zip format. Now the backup location I'm going to use is the built-in backup location in the Make My USB. In Make My USB, under Documents, is a backup folder. I'm going to click OK here. Now, I'm going to create a job name for this. I'm going to click Save. And the job name I'm going to call this is the Important Data Backup. And click OK. Now I'm going to click Run. And then I'll close this. And we'll go to the Make My USB tab, check the Backups folder, and we do have a backup. Now let's say today's Monday. And we did a backup today on Monday. And now we come in Tuesday. And we add some passwords. I'll go ahead and save this. Okay. Close this. Now, Tuesday we plug in our USB. We go into our important data backup, which automatically knows to back up this data here to this location here. So all we have to do is click Run. So, for say, this would be Monday and this would be Tuesday. So now let's go in here again. And let's erase everything, except for one. And save it. And then this would be Wednesday. And Wednesday, we'll do a backup of this. Now, since it's differential, we have to always make sure that we're backing up to the same place. We cannot choose a new backup location. If we do choose a new backup location, we have to make sure that the base file is included in the backup location. Now with differential backups, it only backs up a file if it has changed. So, we go to our backups folder. Here's our base file. And we'll open up our text file. And this is the original file. Now we open up. As you can see, the contacts won't be in here because we didn't make any change to the contact. And here's the changed file there. And now we'll do a backup here. And now it should be the only one entry. So now, if you have months and months of backups, and you're always backing up on a daily basis, you can choose a day and go back and restore from that day. If you have a file that you make changes to every day, but you're in March and you started backups in January and you need February 17th's backup, you can go back to February 17th and pull that backup from that day, which is really cool. And that's why I choose the differential backup method. And this is how to use the backup utility in the Make My USB application. If you have any more questions, please contact us at makemyusb@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.